In the gentle dawn, under the blue sky, promises are made, pledges of love fly. But time is relentless and destiny unclear. In a dance of meetings and partings we steer.
One day of sun, one day of rain, one day of laughter, one day of pain. Between highs and lows, between dreams and reality, we move forward on this journey of memory.
Each encounter is a precious moment, each farewell a painful torment.
But in memory the echoes of laughter stay. In life's pages the marks they lay. And even as the sun sets and night draws near, the stars glow reminds us of those we hold dear. In the warmth of an embrace, in the tenderness of a gaze, we find solace in love's eternal blaze. One day of sun,